Hello and welcome to Puzzle Master. This is the Puzzle Guy, and in this video I will show you how to solve Galette puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Asanori Yamamoto and made by Pelikan in Czech Republic with absolutely fantastic quality. The Galette puzzle is made in a combination of either cherry and Wenge or cherry and purple heart. Difficulty level of Galette puzzle is 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the object of the puzzle is to fit all 5 parts inside the frame in such a way that both openings, there are 2 openings on this frame, will be covered with parts and no parts will be sticking out. And as you can see, there are 5 parts. They are all 5 tetramino pieces. And the frame is pretty unusual for Asanori Yamamoto, since usually we see more like a cube shapes that are 3 by 3 by 3, but this one, it has only 1 level high and it is 4 by 5 with 1 extra piece right here. The opening, the bigger opening, has a shape of 3 by 2 and the smaller one is just 1 by 1, and you have to figure out how to fit all 5 parts inside this frame. If you like Galette puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca, and if you want to see the solution of this puzzle, keep watching the video. And now I will show you how to solve the puzzle. So first, I will create a shape that I'm gonna fit inside the frame later, but I'm gonna create it outside the frame. So it's gonna look like this. I'll put parts this way so that you will see which piece goes where. And now, when I put them all together, it's gonna be this shape with 1 empty voxel. Since if you try to create a 4 by 5 shape, it's gonna be impossible to fit it inside the frame. But to fit all parts inside, you have to use this extra space. There is only one voxel, and then you're gonna fit all parts inside. And this puzzle requires rotation. So we will start solving it by putting this big piece inside from the bottom, and that's going to be the only piece that you can fit inside through this opening, since all other parts are not going to fit there. The next piece is going to be no, not this one. The next piece is going to be this one. I can put it like this, then rotate, move to the right, and put it in such a way that it's going to be flush right here. So the next part is going to be this one. No, not this one, sorry. It's going to be this square piece. You have to put it inside and move all the way to the right. Next part is going to be this one. You have to put it inside and move to the left and up. And the last piece is going to be this one, and it's pretty obvious where you have to put it. And as you can see, both openings are covered. No parts are sticking out. The puzzle is solved. And now, to complete the solution, we have to remove all parts, and that's going to be pretty easy to do. Just flip the puzzle upside down, remove the first piece. Now, what you have to do is to remove this part, and it's better to flip the puzzle upside down. The next piece, tilt the puzzle to the left so that the square piece will be right here where the opening is. Remove it, and we have only 2 parts left. So this piece, move up, rotate it, and remove. And now we have only 1 piece left, the biggest part. You have to rotate it and remove it through the bottom opening. And that's it. Galette puzzle is solved both ways. So great puzzle, something new from Asanori Yamamoto. Really something that you never expect from this puzzle designer, and it's going to give you a lot of pleasure trying to solve it by yourself. So if you like Galette puzzle, or you want to try some other great puzzles designed by Asanori Yamamoto or made by Pelikan, go to puzzlemaster.ca. See you next time!